These 8 powerful, high-flow half-inch NPT air valves deliver unparalleled performance for 12-volt vehicles. The unique design provides high-pressure control at minimal power consumption. The valves support pressures of up to 210 psi and are constructed with high-quality brass to ensure continuous use through extreme conditions. Solenoids are pre-wired, a metal mounting bracket is included for each valve, and the airflow direction is clearly marked with an arrow to provide an easy trouble-free installation. Premium brass fittings, flow control valves, pressure switch and drain valve are included in this kit.